Hello everyone, this is Innovation Center Skolkovo, the main place of innovation in Russia. And this video I will try to make in English because the project is very important for all world. In Russia we have one crazy project that I would like to show you. This is flying motorcycle. At the moment I am working test engineer of a flying motorcycle. And let's go, I will show you something that you never saw before. So, in this Skolkovo, you can see special place with the past of our project. This is third version of flying motorcycle. And as soon as possible, I will show you new version of this flying bike. In today's world of flying machines, you need good skills at drone controlling. So, what do you think? What is the most exciting job in all the world? Of course, this is test pilot of the flying motorcycle. What can be more interesting and exciting? I'm gonna test this bike. Yeah, flying bike. This is really pleasure to work here. Nice place. We will speak with Alex, famous Russian inventor who created hoverbike. And we have some questions for him. So first of all, we want to know what you see like main goal of your company.
Main goal is to give people the new freedom, the freedom to fly. So, for example, some young guy walking on the street look in the sky and see flying motorcycle or flying car, and he will be impressed, and it's our main goal.
How do you describe future aero motorcycles?
It's not like just a toy. It's a very good solution for first responders market, for example, for police, for emergency, for rangers. Because if you need something very fast and easy to use to save some lives, it's perfect for this.
So how do you describe the future of aero transport?
It's urban air mobility, so next age is age of flying cars, and all transport system will be in the sky. So no more traffic, no lights, and people will save the most expensive resource in their lifetime.
Why will helicopters become obsolete?
Helicopters is manned aircraft, so you need a trained pilot or two pilots to fly the helicopter. With the drone technology, you don't need the crew. You can fly without any pilots inside the aircraft. You just choose your point on the map, press the button, and the drone fly. What
will be new aero professions in the future?
I think it's drone engineers, drone programmers, and maybe some artificial intelligence engineers and object recognition engineers, of course.
Okay, and last one question: how will the problem with heavy batteries be solved? Generator, maybe new battery technologies. What do you think?
So right now the battery technologies is growing up very, very well, and of course we can use the generator, but we don't need it anymore. 2 years ago we were thinking about to use the generator or gas, but right now the battery level is very high and growing up very well, and we believe this. We believe in the battery technologies, and I think it's enough to close the city area for urban air mobility transportation system.
So we very need aero transport. If you know how to program the big drones, you can send me mail and I will try to connect you with Alexander. Thank you.
Thank you.